So you're thinking about moving to Bend, Oregon, or maybe somewhere else here in Central Oregon. Well, today we are just to the south of Bend, about 30 miles south. We're in Lapine, Oregon, a little bit over 4,200 feet in elevation. It's a very small town. It's a quaint town, but it's growing. It's the second fastest growing town in Central Oregon. We're going to be touring this house right behind me today, 1,484 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath, with a small office in addition to those 3 bedrooms. So if this video sounds like it's for you, stick around. We're going to be touring this home on the market right now at $449K right now. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living, eating, sleeping, working, playing, the good and the bad of living in Bend and surrounding Central Oregon, then subscribe to the channel. Tap that notification bell below so you can be the first to know about the current market here in Central Oregon. My name's Ryan and I've lived in Bend for over 30 years. My business partner Zach and I, we get calls and texts every day from people just like you looking for help on making their smooth move to Bend or maybe Lapine, Oregon. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or even set up that Zoom. We'd be happy to help you make that smooth move to Bend or Lapine, Oregon. Okay, so I'm out in Lapine, Oregon right now. Today, it's a warm, sunny August afternoon. Little hazy right now, okay? So there's some smoke in the air, there's some fires going on around the northwest, not necessarily right here in front of us in Central Oregon, but the smoke comes over and it tends to linger for a little while. This is kind of a seasonal thing. It happens every year, at least as of the last couple of years. It's kind of a drag. It's one of the downsides of living here in the high desert, but you know what? This smoke will clear out here over the next few days and we will get several more weeks, maybe a couple more months of just warm, sunny days. September is one of my favorite weather months of the year, as is October here in Central Oregon. So good times ahead, good days ahead, great weather days ahead. But today we're going to be focused on this home right behind me here. It's in the Reserve at the Pines subdivision. We are in Lapine, Oregon right now. We're just off of the Highway 97. It's straight ahead from where I'm looking at right now. About 1,000 feet or so, but what we have here is a great neighborhood. Like I said, it's called the Reserve in the Pines. It is a master plan community. There's 3 parks that are attached to it right now. There are paths everywhere, all connecting everything in and around this neighborhood here. So what is happening in Lapine is pretty remarkable. Like I said earlier, it's the second fastest growing town in Central Oregon, and for good reason. There are a lot of people that are moving to this area right now. We get a lot of traffic on our YouTube channel for Lapine, Oregon, and homes are very, very affordable right now. It's one of the best valued locations in all of Central Oregon, and this home is no exception behind me. 1,484 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath, and it has an office space as well. So what we're gonna do now is just kind of pan around, take a quick look. We'll probably drive a little bit around this neighborhood towards the end of the video, but I wanna show you what this home is all about. So without further ado, let's just walk on in and we will talk and show you all about this awesome home by Gasper Construction. Let's check it out. The home faces to the east, so the sun will come up this way. Have some great morning sun right here on this patio here, covered patio. As we enter the home, right to the left is going to be the office space here, so it faces to the east as well. Great natural sunlight. Natural sunlight is a big thing for a lot of people, and this home absolutely has it. You can see the hallway here. The first bedroom is going to be right here on the left-hand side, and those windows face to the south, so they're going to get the sun tracking into it on a daily basis as well, keeping the home naturally lit. We'll go down the hallway here. We can see to our left is going to be the first bathroom. Second bedroom. Again, south-facing windows, good space, great utilization of the floor plan here, great space for the size of this home at 1,484 square feet. It's going to be the laundry room here with a closet space, and it will open into the garage, a dual garage, 2-car garage here. You can take a look at that. As we continue down the hallway, it opens up. So we have the living area right here, the gas fireplace in the wall installed, great hardwood floors. We'll look over here to the kitchen. Great open space here. Stainless steel appliances minus the fridge. We have an island here, custom cabinetry, as well as a fantastic backdrop here, a backsplash, as well as quartz countertops. As we continue looking on, the dining area right here. We'll look from this angle as well. Open space. Great for a first-time home buyer. Great utilization of 1,484 square feet. I love this back patio too. Covered patio. So this backyard faces to the west. The sun obviously sets to the west, and it can be very hot here in the summertime, just like anywhere. But we have a very nice covered patio that's going to protect you from the sun, but also give you access to the sun as well. In a large backyard, great fence, and room for some creative landscaping. Fantastic patio here. We will continue on as we go back into the house. We will check out the primary bedroom. Primary bedroom just off the living area. Fantastic. Windows face to the west. You can see the bathroom over here. We enter. Jack and Jill sinks. Great shower here. And a large closet area. Okay, that's gonna wrap up our tour today of the home here in the reserve at the Pines. Again, 1,484 square feet. This home builder, Gasper Builders, did a fantastic job of utilizing every square foot within this home. Great for a first-time home buyer, priced to sell. We just had a price reduction on this home, sitting at $449,000 right now, puts the per square foot price at just over $303. Okay, so this is a great value for Central Oregon. Remember, the median home price in Bend, just 30 miles to our north, is $800,000 as of this recording. This is sitting at $449,000, the second fastest growing town in Central Oregon. So if you're curious to learn more about this house, please reach out to Zach or I, and we would be happy to give you guys a tour of this home, as well as any other home in the area that may fit your criteria. So thanks for watching this video. If you guys are getting value out of this channel, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, drop a comment in the comment section below. Let us know what else you want us to cover here in Central Oregon. Our goal with this channel is to earn your business through these videos, to provide as much value as we possibly can. When it's time for you guys to reach out, please do so. Call us, text us, email us. You can even set up that Zoom meeting. That's how we're going to connect with you. It starts with you guys first. So thanks again for the support on the channel, and please reach out to us when it's your time. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.